In 2025, crafting viral AI story videos is an art form that blurs technology with creativity. With artificial intelligence as the ultimate co-director, creators can now weave narratives that feel deeply human, but are powered by machine precision. Let's dive into the cutting-edge strategies that make content not just go viral, but resonate worldwide. The first step to going viral? Knowing your audience. AI algorithms today analyze trends, emotions, and even micro-interests in real time. These insights empower creators to match their stories with what audiences crave, be it adventure, inspiration, or humor. Serving the perfect narrative has never been this precise or impactful. Next comes the story itself, a blend of art and algorithm. Generative AI tools in 2025 can create breathtaking characters, photorealistic backdrops, and immersive storytelling arcs. But the heart of virality? Staying authentic. AI might refine the tools, but your unique style is what makes the audience stay and share. One underrated hack? Using AI for emotional layering. Today's tools analyze sentiment down to expressions and colors, making each frame a subtle emotional trigger. From soothing palettes for nostalgia to vibrant hues for action-packed thrillers, this AI precision sparks an immediate connection with viewers. Don't forget sound. In 2025, generative audio systems create custom soundtracks tailored to your video's mood. It's no longer about generic music libraries. AI produces harmonies and beats that sync perfectly with each scene's tempo. The results? Immersive soundscapes that hook viewers from the very first second. Once your video is crafted, it's time for AI and distribution. Platforms now use predictive models to place your content in front of its ideal audience. From personalized recommendations to trend synchronization, AI ensures your story doesn't get lost in the noise. Smart targeting fuels viral potential. But here's the true magic: collaborative AI. Tools like co-writing assistants and visual generators are your partners in the creative process. These systems don't just follow commands, they brainstorm, evolve, and refine your ideas. Creating viral AI videos in 2025 feels more like teamwork than science fiction. Don't underestimate audience interaction, a secret ingredient in virality. AI tools today analyze millions of comments, likes, and shares in seconds, adapting content strategies mid-flight. This dynamic feedback loop helps refine future videos, making every upload smarter and more powerful than the last. The final frontier? AI isn't here to replace creators, it's here to amplify them. With imagination backed by technology, your videos don't just ride trends, they redefine them. Viral content today is no accident. It's the product of passion empowered by AI. The future belongs to those who embrace it. So, are you ready to create your viral masterpiece? With the synergy of creativity and AI, your potential is limitless. Let these tools amplify your vision and turn your ideas into global sensations. Remember, in 2025, the most powerful storytelling tool isn't just AI, it's your imagination.